ETAC Ven. ETAC is a mobile telecommunications brand for young people. The position slogan of the brand in 2013 is, "Your time, your rules." We took a legendary 1976 van with the mission of making it an even bigger legend in the ETAC world. We pimp an old van and give it to ETAC users to make the road trip of a lifetime. They return authentic content from the trip to the ETAC community and give them some other opportunities to engage. The project had two phases, the van pimpin' and the road trippin'. We set the communication platform. The main information point was a website supported by intense social media communication and ETAC's own video service, ETAC Place. It took 6 mechanics and 5 weeks to pimp it into ETAC Ven, with the help of ETAC users, of course. We gave 7 ETAC youngsters cool summer jobs. 2 mechanics worked on the van, 5 reporters documented the whole project. ETAC users voted on the website and designed the most stylish van ever. And we're being totally objective on this point. While the van was getting pimped, the teams applied for the road trips. During the making of this video, the Balkan Express team was on its way to Corfu. The results exceeded our expectations. ETAC Ven was a big success.